Okay, hello and welcome to professional trading. So good news real quick, I'm going to be showing you how to trade the volatility 75 with a new strategy I kind of recently mastered. Let me not say I learned, because I came across it quite a while now, but I had to master it and professionalize it before giving it to you guys. So let's dive right in real quick. All right, so this is what we're working with now. This is volatility 75, obviously. I traded on my real account, so this is a demo account like usual. I haven't traded it on here so far, but yeah. So right now, like you can see on this chart, it's not confusing at all, quite interesting, simple, and yeah, it works so far. It works. So now let me explain it real quick. Before I do the explanation, all you have to do is, like usual, just come making use of 3 moving averages, a relative strength index, and stochastic oscillator. So obviously, let's go back. So for those that have been keeping up in touch, actually, you know where to go to pick your indicators and strategies. So first off, what we did is come that up here and click the F signal or whatever that is. Click on it, it brings you here. So then you click on your main chart to pick your moving averages, and after that you can also click on that same part to pick your relative strength index before you click this to pick your stochastic indicator. So let me just show you what I have there on me. So now on the first moving average, we have this. Then quickly just screenshot this, setting our period to 10, 0, simple, high. These are your parameters here. Levels are 0 as usual. So that's it. We'll click on click on the second moving average. Yeah, we have this. The only difference between the first and second is the period, which is 20. You change your color, and you can notice I'm using a very large pixel on this one so far. I don't usually do that, but I'm going to use that for this, so it's going to be really clear and glaring. So using 4 pixels and all. Go back, and then we'll take our third moving average with similar parameters, different methods, and applying to close this time. So exponential method. So I'll take a screenshot if you want to. And we're back, and then we'll come down to relative strength index, which is at the period of 1000. Yeah, 1000 obviously. And I think we've been with the previous indicators we've not had to use a 1000 period on a relative strength index, but don't worry, all that will be explained. So just take a screenshot of this and take note of the levels 20 and 8. Click the levels. So we have our strong buy and our strong sell on here with these levels, so take note of those. Yeah, and then we have the stochastic oscillator. Now this might get a little bit complicated, but it's not. Just use the same settings as mine, and yeah, take the screenshot if you want to, and then take note of the levels also. Now our levels with just 3070. I'm trying to leave a description now where I'll explain it later. And then your colors, you can pick whatever colors you want, whatever differentiates either way for you. I'm using red and green here. So yeah, that's about it on everything. So once you set your moving averages, your 3 moving averages, you should come across these lines, which you have the blue, the red, sorry, the blue, and then the yellow, or good colors, or whatever that is. Okay, and then for our relative strength index RSI, we'll come up with these white lines all here, and then your stochastic oscillator also, you should come up with this line, the second white line, which are much thicker than the previous white line, where strong and buyer and strong sell is, then with the red line. Good. So that's about it. This should be your setting on there. So with this setting, it's like I said, it's quite simple. I'm using it on the volatility 75 index because this is a setting that builds up with time. Like I said, be disciplined, and that's it. Now, first things first, I'm going to give out a warning. Once the indicator is on this red line, do not buy or sell. Do not attempt the market. Be patient. Wait for your buy and selling time. Now, once the indicator comes down, now all 3 lines, that all RSI lines come down, and they are below the strong buy, or sometimes it can be in between the strong buy line and between these 2 lines, which is the strong buy and the normal buy line. You can go into the market, like it says, you can buy the market, and then once you buy the market, you can see obviously after you buy the market. Now, for those that can decide to buy the market early at this point, buy market, it's definitely going to, like, dance a little bit, delay and all that, but definitely go back up. Now you can go back, you can decide to wait for it to go back up until it touches the sell line or whatever, but I would advise for you to take your profit once it crosses the red line. Once it crosses that red line drawn there, I advise you just take your profit and let the market do its thing. Similar to when it touches or crosses the sell line. Now let's look for a good example for that. Okay, obviously here, at this point it came and definitely crossed the line. Now you can see that even though it delayed and all that, the market followed suit. Now if you had gone into the market at this point with a sell, you would have enjoyed this, and if you stayed again for this period, you will still enjoy all this. Hold on, you still enjoy a little amount of sell until it touches your line and it gives you your goal. Now for those that decide not to be greedy and just stick to their normal plan, if you go into the market at this point, which will be somewhere around here, you're going to stay into the market until you experience this very long downs by sell candle here. This is the 5 minutes candle. Let's do the 1 minute candle so it's to be clearer. Yeah, obviously, so you experience this big downfall here, and obviously you just wait till when it gets to the red line and you take profits. You can try to stay if you want to, but I just prefer taking profit at this point just to be on the safer side and not lose much than expected. Now for those that have watched my video on stop loss and take profit, you can use those videos to manipulate these markets right for your own profits and all that. So that's basically all on this market. And then yeah, now with where the market is going to right now, I won't go into this market. Like I said, it's on the red line. It's not definite. It's not saying if it's a buy or a sell. So just let the market do its thing, and so you wait for the right time. Be patient, be disciplined, and then yeah, you conquer the market. Well, that's all on professional trading. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment on whatever question you've got or whatever. And yeah, for the zoom level, you can zoom out totally and then zoom in. Zoom out totally and then zoom in 3 times. Yeah, for the zoom level, I use it 3 times zoom level, or sometimes 2 if you want to. That's just basically all on it on this channel. Well, bye for now and see you on our next video. Peace out.